Did you know that women's bodies have some unique and surprising features? Indeed, the female body is a complex and awe-inspiring structure. While most of us are familiar with the basic facts, there are lesser-known truths that are just as amazing. From super flexible necks that serve an evolutionary advantage during childbirth to memory skills that often surpass those of men, the female body is teeming with wonders. Women can distinguish a broader spectrum of colors, and their immune systems are generally stronger than men's. Their hearing is particularly sensitive to high-frequency sounds, and their brains have more connections, potentially giving them an edge in multitasking. The mysteries don't end there, though. Prepare to be amazed as we delve into these fascinating facts about the female body. First, let's talk about the neck. Women have more flexible neck muscles than men. It's a fact that might seem peculiar at first, but when you delve deeper into the biological intricacies, it all begins to make sense. This flexibility is actually an evolutionary advantage that facilitates the birthing process. During childbirth, the more flexible the neck, the easier it is for a baby to pass through. Isn't nature fascinating? But that's not all. The female body has even more surprises up its sleeve. On to our next fact. Women generally have better memory skills than men. This isn't just an anecdotal observation. It's backed by numerous scientific studies. Women are particularly adept at remembering faces. It's like they have a built-in facial recognition system that outperforms any advanced AI technology. Think about it. How often have you seen a woman recall someone she met briefly years ago, with precise detail about their facial features? It's as if their brains take a mental snapshot of faces and file them away in a high-capacity storage system for future use. And it's not just about recognizing faces. Women also excel in associative memory. They are more likely to remember a fact when it's connected to an emotion or a personal experience. So, if you want someone to remember your birthday, your best bet is to tell a woman. These superior memory skills have a significant impact on our social interactions. They help women build and maintain social connections, remember personal details about their friends and family, and even navigate complex social situations. It's a powerful tool that plays a vital role in our communities and relationships. So women not only have super flexible necks, but also a superior memory. Isn't that fascinating? And we're just getting started. Stay tuned for more surprising facts about the female body in the next segment. Now, let's move on to color perception. Women can discern a wider color spectrum than men. This fascinating difference between the genders is believed to be the result of evolutionary adaptations. Our ancestors relied on women to gather food, and being able to distinguish between subtle shades of color could mean the difference between picking ripe, nutritious fruits and unripe, potentially harmful ones. So, when a woman says she sees a flower as pink, a man might only see it as red. It's not a matter of right or wrong, but a testament to the richness of the world as seen through a woman's eyes. This naturally leads us to another intriguing fact about women. Overall, they tend to have stronger immune systems than men. You might think, wait, doesn't that mean women should be less likely to fall ill? And you'd be right. Women are generally more resilient to infections and illnesses thanks to their robust immune response. The driving force behind this is believed to be hormonal differences. The hormone estrogen, which is present in higher levels in women, has been found to enhance the body's immune response. Additionally, the X chromosome, of which women have two, contains a large number of genes related to the immune system. This genetic advantage, coupled with the protective effects of estrogen, makes women's bodies formidable fighters against disease. However, this heightened immune response can also have its downsides. It's believed to be one of the reasons why autoimmune diseases, where the immune system mistakenly attacks the body's own cells, are more common in women. Isn't it fascinating how these differences, from the ability to perceive a vibrant array of colors to having a powerful immune system, make each woman uniquely equipped to navigate the world? So, women not only see a richer world of colors but also fight off diseases more effectively. Did you know that women have more sensitive hearing than men? This sensitivity is particularly noticeable when it comes to high-frequency sounds. It's as if women have been equipped with a highly tuned, precise auditory system. This acute hearing isn't just for show, it has real-world implications. Have you ever noticed how a mother can pick out her child's cry from a sea of other noises? There's science behind that. Some studies have shown that women can distinguish a baby's cry more easily than men can. This heightened sensitivity to sound might have been an evolutionary advantage, helping mothers respond to their infants' needs. Now let's transition into another fascinating aspect of the female brain, its structure. While male brains tend to work more regionally, female brains have more connections. What does this mean? Well, think of the brain like a roadmap. In men, information tends to travel along specific, well-defined routes, while in women, it's as if there's a more intricate web of back roads and shortcuts. This interconnectedness might contribute to women's reputed prowess in multitasking. You've probably heard the stereotype that women are better at juggling multiple tasks at once. Whether it's balancing work, home, and social life, or simply keeping track of 1,000 little details, women often seem to have a knack for managing it all. While it's important to remember that everyone is unique and not all women or men will fit these patterns, scientific research does suggest that the increased connectivity in the female brain may make women more successful at multitasking. So, women not only have acute hearing, but also potentially better multitasking abilities. These are just two of the many fascinating ways in which the female body and brain are uniquely equipped. Stay tuned as we continue to uncover more about the incredible intricacies of the female body. Next, let's discuss the uterus. When not in use, it's a small organ about the size of an orange. But do not let the size fool you. This petite powerhouse has a superpower of its own: elasticity. It's like a magic trick, really. When a woman becomes pregnant, the uterus begins to stretch and expand. Picture it like a balloon inflating slowly and steadily, accommodating the growing baby. By the end of pregnancy, it can extend all the way up to the rib cage. Now that's what I call ultra-elastic. But the uterus isn't the only part of a woman's body with a unique characteristic. Let's shift our attention slightly north to the breasts. Now you might have noticed that most women have one breast that's slightly larger than the other. No, it's not an optical illusion. It's a common and generally harmless difference. The reason behind this one-sided breast difference isn't entirely clear. However, it's believed to be due to hormonal changes or differences in breast tissue. Just like our hands or feet, it's rare for any paired body parts to be exactly the same size. And this asymmetry is more common than you might think. So you see, every woman's body is like a piece of art. No two are the same, each with its unique characteristics and features. Even these differences, like an ultra-elastic uterus or slightly mismatched breasts, are part of what makes each woman's body unique and beautiful. So women not only have an ultra-elastic uterus, but also a unique breast characteristic. Finally, let's talk about pain. Women respond differently to pain than men. Research shows that women tend to perceive pain more intensely. This doesn't mean women are weaker. Quite the opposite, in fact. Women have been shown to have a higher tolerance for pain, which comes in handy during events like childbirth. Now let's move on to our 10th fact. Unlike male bodies, which generally remain relatively stable after puberty, female bodies are a marvel of continuous change. Hormonal fluctuations throughout a woman's life lead to noticeable changes in her body. This includes periods such as the menstrual cycle, pregnancy, menopause, and aging. Each phase brings unique changes, challenges, and strengths. So women not only respond differently to pain, but their bodies are also continuously changing. It's a testament to the resilience and adaptability of the female body, and truly something to be admired. So there you have it, 10 lesser-known facts about the female body. From super flexible necks to superior memory, a more expansive color spectrum, and a stronger immune system. Not to mention acute hearing, changing brain circuits, an ultra-elastic uterus, and one-sided breast difference. We also explored the unique female response to pain and the continuous changes the female body undergoes. Understanding the female body and its unique features is not only fascinating but also essential. Until next time, keep learning and stay curious.